Looking your best is important, and maintaining good health is essential. Summit Skin and Vein Care has state-of-the-art technology that will help you look and feel your best. They cure painful, unattractive varicose veins with a new laser vein treatment that quickly and painlessly reaches areas that other lasers can't.
Summit Skin and Vein Care is a medical and aesthetic facility dedicated to the art of enhancing your appearance and your health.
I had quite bad veins, varicose veins, and I'd had them for many years. And I had the vein treatment where they went inside the vein with the laser and they zapped away the vein, and it was pain-free, and I am free of my varicose veins, and I am loving it.
What we do here is a procedure called endovenous laser ablation, and that consists of starting an IV catheter into the vein that we're going to treat, and then we basically advance a thin laser fiber up into that vein, and we place numbing medicine around the vein, and then we seal the vein shut as we pull the fiber back slowly.
It was smooth, easy, and painless, and good results, great results, and my legs look great because of it.
We're using a newer laser wavelength that pretty much hits water inside the wall of the vein, converts that into heat, and then cauterizes that vein shut. And it does it in a very nice fashion that doesn't leave a lot of bruising or leftover pain or discomfort that we used to get with some of the older lasers.
I had seen two other doctors prior to Dr. Fearon, and the things they had proposed to me, it was going to be surgery. It was going to be a lot of downtime. It was going to be painful. It was not going to be covered by my insurance.
The services here at Summit Skin and Vein Care are such that we provide duplex ultrasound and physician examinations and documentation of symptoms that people have. With that kind of information, we can usually submit that to the insurance company along with a letter of medical necessity, and then frequently can get endovenous laser ablation procedures covered by your insurance.
I'm always kind of a proactive person. I try to read up on things. And Dr. Fearon's told me, it was a good thing that I checked out my legs now instead of waiting till I was older, because if I got into my 50s, 60s, it could really affect how I can walk and things like that just with my vein care.
In vein practice, we found that there are a lot of people out there offering sclerotherapy and laser services, zapping veins from the top of the skin, but what was frequently missed were these larger veins that were leaking under the skin. In order to identify those patients, we've been offering a free ultrasound exam on people every day just to screen them to see if their veins are bad enough that insurance might help them with their treatment. We call it a quick scan.
There's all different ways that you can pay for things here and get things done, so nothing's out of reach. I think if it's that important to you, you should have it done. I mean, just check into it at least. And they have free evaluations here on like your veins and things like that. And a lot of places don't do that. I mean, they can look at you and know whether it's possible that it could be covered by insurance.
Summit Skin and Vein Care has a wide variety of services and products to help you look and feel your best, including lipo-dissolved treatments.
We're in the business of cheating Mother Nature, so we're going to go in there and try to help shape and contour that area better by making a series of injections into that area to melt away the fat.
I have had the lipo-dissolve done on my throat and across this area, and I've also had it done on my stomach. I had quite a bit under here, and I think if you look now, you see that I have lost a lot of that.
I think I've lost almost 4 inches around my waist. But you could notice, by the second one, I could really notice it. I mean, people at work were coming up to me, "Are you sick? Are you okay? You've really lost some on your pants." And I'm going, "No, I'm fine, I'm fine."
The advantage to lipo-dissolve is that you really are able to go back to work the next day. So the downtime is the issue there. As far as cost, there's certainly a cost savings compared to liposuction. The other thing is that when you do liposuction, sometimes you come up with areas that may be a little uneven or don't quite look the way you want them to, and then you're kind of stuck with that result unless you go back to the operating room to have that done. With lipo-dissolve, because it's a series of injections, you can see these people back a month later, and if you see an area that you want to improve, you can put a little more medicine in there, or you can even things out a little bit. So it's kind of a work in progress, and it allows some adaptability and tailoring that you can't get with liposuction.
Summit Skin and Vein Care also offers laser hair removal, Botox and Restylane injections, microdermabrasion, chemical peels, and acne treatments.
You are going to have one of the best physicians that you could ever have, and the most professional people, and they will do an excellent job and really care about you.
Everybody's very friendly, they care about you, and it's not in a fake manner, you know what I mean? It's just, they're very open to you.
It's been wonderful, and I love the people here, and Dr. Farron and his staff, and everybody should come here. It's a wonderful place.
Summit Skin and Vein Care is located at 3600 Northeast Ralph Powell Road in Lee Summit. Call them at 816-554-VEIN or visit their website at summitskinandveincare.com.